All right, so though I don't have any reliable tools at the moment, we pulled all the tools that we were using here during the construction process back to home base, and now this place needs its own set, which we haven't supplied yet. But I'm very excited about this particular delivery. If I can get into it. It's just not a good idea with the razor. I need to find some scissors to open it up. But it's something that's going to allow us to get back into our scalded loaves at scale. We were making that buckwheat sourdough about a year ago. Even have some videos to check out on that. We were also making a Coruscant sourdough about a year ago. Both of those breads were stellar. Everybody loved them. I would actually say they were a grade above our core menu in terms of quality. Premium products, really. The problem is boiling pots of water is inefficient. The idea of boiling a pot of water like you've seen me do, you know, for larger and larger and larger quantities of bread breaks down. Will I have a whole line of boiling pots of water in order to keep up with the demand of this bread? So we pulled it from the menu while it was still youngish. And I've been wanting to get it back ever since. Inside this box is the tool that I need to get this done. All right. A knife should do. Straps are surprisingly challenging. This is a water boiler. It hooks up to the hot water line in the building. And maybe it's cold water supply, I'm not sure. Either hot or cold water supply. And it heats it up to boiling. And then you can dispense it at will. And as you dispense it, it refills with 25 gallons of hot water. So it's an on-demand 25 gallons of hot boiling water. Perfect for making scalds at scale. So we have the mill, which lets us mill the flour. I don't know if you recall, but we were milling the buckwheat for the buckwheat sourdough on the small little mock mill. And then we have the boiler for the water. And if you recall, we were boiling water with pots on induction burners. So both of those were extremely time-intensive processes that weren't efficient and couldn't be scaled. It was not viable to have buckwheat on our menu. We needed to have a mill if we really wished to make this bread, or we needed to just buy buckwheat flour, which is insanely expensive, just absolutely insanely expensive versus milling it by yourself. So now we can make our own buckwheat flour, and we can do so at scale. We can make our own Coruscant. We actually have all the berries waiting, so an upcoming segment is sure to be recovering the buckwheat sourdough on our channel, except now at scale. So we'll have to do that very soon.